Hello guys, kumusta? So, Sunday, Mother's Day, May 11, 2025. Sama kayo, punta kami sa BK. Dala kami ng babaunin. Ito, isda, pampano. Okay guys, 25 minutes.
Ready to supercharge your small business. Zero.
We're here, Boston. Alright guys, we're here. 50 years. And the dogs are excited, especially Rocky. Hey!
Ayoko nga dito. Bakit mo ba ako dinadala dito? Ang lamig-lamig dito. Hindi nga ako marunong lumangoy. Tapos gusto mo pa rin ako dinadala mo ako dito every year. Ayoko dito, uwi na tayo.
Guys, dito na kami. Sabi namin, ngayon nagpunta sa beach, no? Siguro dahil Mother's Day. Kaya hindi namin nakuha yung malaking pavilion. Okay lang as long as may spot. So pinauna ko na si Mrs. para maglagay ng gamit. Tapos si AJ kinuha yung dalawang aso. Si Terry na iwan cart. Babalik pa siya sa konting gamit. Lamig ng hangin.
Pagod na kasi ito si Rocky. Halika na.
This way.
Ay, tinapon mo naman.
Konti na lang sa AJ naman tsaka si Alin nagpe-prep ng iihangin isda. Mga aso naman gusto mang away. Terry, stop!
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the Tahoe close, it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we?
What is this? Ang sabi nga, you didn't like this? Ocean bomb. Hindi masarap to.
Yung isda, parang masarap.
Yeah, later. You can heat it sa oven. Masarap. Ako ng dalawa eh. Ito. Yung hammock na isa. Ito. Bagong hammock namin. Dami palang nakahammock. Puno. Puno ang state park. Yan. So kung puno to guys, lalo na siguro yung mga low cost na ano, na beach access. Mas mura kasi mas maraming tao kasi dito per person ang bayad eh. Yan, daming tao. Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day. Sige, sige, hagis ka. There you go. Go. Terry, stop.
Say goodbye.
And you can camp in this hammock. See? Prevent you from being eaten by bugs. I don't know the weight limit for this hammock. I think maybe 250, 250 pounds. Let me go. Let me see. I think I bought this from Walmart 3 years ago for 20 bucks. 500 pounds. Wow, 500 pounds.
So there, it can fit 2 people.
I'm not gonna push it.
500 pounds.
I know, but you're really gonna push it to the limit. Anyway, I like it. I like it. For 20 bucks. For 20 bucks. Gonna bring this every time we go camping or we visit the beach. Bare butt.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one. Only one.
Good boy.
I was an ordinary boy.
Okay. I did not brought my kite. Here. And the water is clear. You can see the bottom. Terry, yung mga aso, yan, dry up na lang para mabasang sisiw. Oh. Ito, bad girl to eh. Lahat na lang na aso na duman gusto awayin.
the only one, only one.
Alright guys, time to go home. But before going home, we gotta stop by Texas City. Grab some dinner. Okay guys, dito namin sa Texas City, no? Bala ko kasi i-retrace yung nangyari sa amin nung ano ba, February ba 'yon? May mga aksidente sa sa kalsada gamit yung expedition. So nag-beach kami noon, tapos kumain kami dito, boys. Masarap pa naman yung kain namin. Yan. Tapos nung pauwi na kami noon, nasiraan kami, di ba? Gusto ko sanang palitan ng mas magandang memory. So isa rin yun sa reason ko bakit binenta ko yung expedition kasi parang may naka-attach, sinisinok ako, sorry, touch na bad memory. Isa lang yun. Sarap yung nila dito, shrimp po boy. Shrimp po boy is parang sandwich na may shrimp, pero yung shrimp nila ang tataba nakakamiss nga minsan pag Tapos ang mura ng crawfish dito. Kahapon kumain lang kami ng crawfish sa Katy, $10.99 per pound. Dito $3.99 per pound. Sinisinok ako, inom muna akong tubig. So ang crawfish, yan yan ang crawfish. Yan. Okay guys, so that's it. Thank you sa pagsama sa amin. Happy Mother's Day sa mga mothers. Sinisinok talaga ako. May nag-picnic park, may park dito. Alam nyo ba guys, 15 years ago, nung bago kami dito sa Amerika, sinama kami dito dyan sa park na yan. Yeah, very memorable yan. Anyway, eto naman yung Texas City Dike. Papunta dyan. Pag mag-fishing, punta ka dyan, may makukuha kang mga isda. May entrance yata na $5 per car. Yun, meron doon nag-entrance doon. Pero may style sabi nung kakilala ko, pag pumunta ka dyan na madaling araw, wala pa yung nagpapa-entrance. So pasok ka na, tapos mangisda ka na. Checking ko din tong tindahan na to. May mga isda ditong maliliit gusto sana namin bilhin, ayaw kaming pagbentahan kasi hindi raw yung kinakain, parang pain lang. Alam nyo naman mga Pinoy, di ba? Lahat kinakain. Mga Amerikano naman mapili. Ay nako, so that's it guys, salamat sa pagsama, thank you, bye.